So we were fighting at the Apex in Vegas, where I went from the fight before I was in an arena, like 20,000 people, to my next fight there was like 800 people. Not even that. There was maybe 100 people in the Apex, the UFC. And it was, I knocked this dude out, hit him with the right hand with the colorful hair.
Yeah.
And he was snoring. You could literally hear him go.
What? No.
It was crazy. Yeah.
And that's is that what just made you?
It definitely helped.
Was it just an exciting knockout, or was this like a big fight as far as the?
It was my third UFC fight, so it wasn't like a big fight in the rankings. Yes. It wasn't for the title. It wasn't this. It was this.
Flashy knockout.
I had a lot of hype.
Yeah.
From coming off the Contender Series from Snoop Dogg.